What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today let's look at how to install latest Corvus OS 16.5 on Xiaomi POCO phone without losing any data. There are few important points you should be careful before performing this. Before getting started, if you are new here, check out my channel for knowing more taste of my work. So if you are planning for clean flash, you can just skip this video and check the description for steps. Now to begin with, let's quickly discuss all the points you need to be careful. First one, this process only can performed from AOSP based ROMs. Second, since this build of Corvus OS is based upon Android 11, you need to be in a AOSP ROM which is based upon Android 11. Third one, you have to use the same variant. Do not flash GAppt variant over vanilla or vanilla over GAppt. Fourth one, do not try if your phone is rooted. Fifth and important one, your current AOSP ROM should be decrypted. Once your current ROM meets all above prerequisites, download the appropriate ROM from description. Also download the DFE file. As you see, I am using AEX8 and having all my data including games. Make sure that your phone is not encrypted from settings security session. Once that done, power off your device. Now press and hold power button followed by the volume up key till you see the boot logo. This will lead you to your recovery. I am using Orange Fox R11 latest now. If you are using TWRP, use the latest one. Now go to wipe. From here select Dalvik cache system vendor. Now swipe to wipe. Once formatting finishes, select home and navigate into your downloaded files. I kept all my files under micro SD card, so browse to the file and select ROM file first. Mine is Corvus OS 16.5 GAppt variant. Now select add to queue and select the DFE file. If you are using TWRP recovery, the option will be add more zip. Once files are selected for installation, swipe to install. Wait until installation finishes and make sure there is no errors. Once installation finishes, wipe cache Dalvik and reboot your phone. Wait until your phone finish booting. It may take 3 to 4 minutes to finish booting up. As you see, there is no startup steps. Log into your phone with previous lock screen. As you see, all my previous data are here and nothing lost. So now let's get into about phone session and verify the ROM. Here it is, the latest Corvus 16.6 running on Xiaomi POCO phone. I'll be making a performance review of this ROM at the earliest. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you are new here. That's it guys, nothing more, nothing less. Till next time, be safe and take care.